What's up, guys? Backwood Bassin. It's early here in Wisconsin. It's like 4:30 right now. Me and my brother headed out turkey hunting. Same spot that we killed that last bird in the video. Hoping for a big tom. They're still roosting out in the same spot, we think. So hopefully we can get it done, and we'll see you out there.
Yeah, boys!
He's still alive. I don't know, he's done it.
Let's go! Dude! Oh my gosh, my tailbone hurts so freaking bad. Dude! I got the whole thing on. Dude, that's gonna be such an awesome video.
Dude, you're just sitting there.
Dude! That's a Tom!
Dude, he's still alive.
Dude, I thought it was this one over here was a Jake. Yeah, boys.
Still alive, look at it.
That was a far shot, guys. That's all probably 40, 50 yards. Okay, take him back to the... Okay, we need to take him back over there.
No,
Dude, yeah, that's a nice thing. Does this one actually have some spurs?
yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Dude, that was freaking awesome.
Dude, he's sitting. I thought he's gonna. I said he was staying out there the whole time.
Yeah, I know. Dude, he just boom, boom, boom. There's another Tom here,
Yeah, I know.
dude.
I know.
There's another Tom.
Those are all Jakes right there.
Yeah.
And another Jake flew over there.
When there was definitely one Jake in that group.
There's three. They're all Jakes.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I thought one of them was hen.
No, he would have been going for the hen otherwise. Oh my god. It's the one we were after.
Yeah. Dude, that's awesome. There's another Jake here. No, another Tom. All those Jakes mean Toms next year. Oh. Boys, we got her done.
Okay, guys. Just got this awesome Tom here. So excited. My first one ever. Got a nice beard on him. As you can see, he was sitting away. I'm pretty sure he was roosted out in the tree up there. Eli thinks he was roosted right above us here. But anyway, there was a Jake that was gobbling way out there all morning. And we thought, you know, everything was gonna fly over to the next field and leave. But probably around 5:30ish, three turkeys come out of the trees here, land out way at the end. I'm pretty sure they're all Jakes. And so they kind of sat out there, and I'm like, okay, this is it. Well, then we heard another gobble behind us. So I'm like, okay, we could get one. And then he was like, Braden, there's a Tom out there. Sure enough, here this guy was out there, started out about probably 90 yards, just sitting there for a good 10 minutes, walking back and forth, gobbling. So these three Jakes started coming in. They probably got like 30 yards, would you say?
Yeah.
They were pretty close.
They were pretty close.
And eventually this guy started to follow, kind of came half strut, probably about 50 yards. And one Jake kind of ran away a little bit, so I figured I had to take the shot, and there we go, baby. Got some nice hooks on him.
That's some decent spurs.
Yes.
Couldn't have done any better. That was
No,
awesome.
that was awesome.
Shot him
Thanks for
full
filming me.
strut.
That was awesome. Pretty bird.
Yeah.
We'll get back to you guys later and we'll get some measurements on him. But okay, guys. So here's the turkey. Nice fan on him. We ended up measuring. He's got 9.5-inch beard. We only measured one spur and it was like a little over 3/4 of an inch. I think it was that one. This one's a little smaller. He's only 19 pounds, so he's just a little guy. Probably a second-year bird, but still my first time, and the hunt was cool. So thanks for watching. See you next time.